Hello everybody, thank you for watching Loki Laptop News. I'm here in Springfield, Missouri on this beautiful Friday the 13th of March 2026. There is Liberty Justice, or Lady Justice Liberty Press with Liberty Bella. I just saw Springfield PD drive by. Yes, I am in Springfield, Missouri at Grant Beach Park. My son is over here supposed to be playing, but just sitting on his rear end. See, this is playing for kids nowadays. There is a train here, everybody, that I am going to record, but just figured I'd show off the park. Might as well. Oh, that's a tarp down. Okay, well, they got a little water park here. Okay, it's not damaged. It's just a tarp down. All right, look, it's a YouTube princess, everybody. Her, Sassy, and Geo's dogs are going to be YouTube princesses.
Yeah, you heard it here.
Hi, Liberty Bella. Here is more of the water park. It's okay, little girl.
No, leave the dog alone.
I think I'm going to go all the way around to the other side. That way I can get a good walk around.
I'll probably kind of follow behind at the edge.
Well, see, I'm going to try to walk all the way down to the caboose.
Okay.
Here's the train, everybody, but I'm going to get a better view. Just hang on. It's a 484. And it's going by the wheel arrangements. 4 up front. Alright. 4 up front. You got 1, 2, 3, 4. Then you got the 8 driver wheels. 4 on this side, 4 on the other side. Not sure if I can walk all the way around this or not, but pulling you. I'm gonna see if I can walk all the way around it this way. Sorry, but I've been trying to zoom out there. Zoom in a little bit more. There we go. Hi, little girl. So you got a little track thing right here. There we go. Now it's more zoomed in. I don't know. That was weird. Phone's kind of been acting up. It's acting up on the video today with the wreck that we did. Ooh, hang on. I'm gonna see if I can get that in a shot. There's a Frisco. You see that? Excuse me. Sorry, I'm not trying to get in your shot, but if we get in each other's shots, we get in each other's shots. We're walking on these little spike balls from a sweet gum tree. And more of the water park, everybody. And yes, you can go in this place. It is a museum. I'm not for sure how much it is. Alright, everybody, I'm going to pause and go on the other side. Alright, we're back at the front. I'm going to go on the other side and get more of the engine. If you want a better look at the caboose, you can go that way. I'm going to do a little close-up on the other side, and then I'm going to call it good.
Okay. Yeah, you can't really go very far over around that.
Look, everybody, it's a YouTube princess.
YouTube princess. You heard it here.
One of the YouTube princesses. We also have Sassy and Geo's dogs, which I don't know their names yet. Alright, here's what I was wanting to do, is get a good front end shot. Look at that. That thing is massive. There you go. Free admission. Beautiful artwork up on that, as you can see. All right, everybody. Peace out. Don't be a gutbot, everybody. Till next time, thank you for watching Lucky Laptop News. If you're going to be out traveling on this beautiful day in the Ozarks, be safe. No matter where you're at, actually be safe. That's kind of cool. But anyway, everybody, peace out. Don't be a gutbot. Till next time, everybody, may the luck be with you. Later.